Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Google Forms. First, open your browser, click on the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Forms. From there, choose the form you want to update. Once your form is open, look at the top right corner and click on the Customize Theme icon. Here, you'll see the font style options. You can select any font you like and apply it to your form. You'll be able to change the font for the headers, questions, and text throughout the form. And that's it. That's how you change the font in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.